Friday, giving news on Friday. That's right, I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. We waste no time today. Let's go. First up, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has announced his intention to run for president in 2024 and has pledged to protect Bitcoin if he wins the election. He made his declaration on May 24th in a Twitter broadcast that was attended by Elon Musk and more than 500,000 viewers. The event was hosted by David Sachs, a venture capitalist. DeSantis is a staunch supporter of Bitcoin and has criticized the federal government for its lack of clarity and regulation on the cryptocurrency. He's also signed a bill that prevents the use of CBDCs in the state of Florida. And it seems that Bitcoin and CBDCs are increasingly becoming major talking points among multiple candidates for the presidency of the United States in 2024. Recently, Democratic presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy gave a speech at the Bitcoin 2023 conference where he explained his support for Bitcoin as well. Worldcoin is a new cryptocurrency project that aims to create a global digital identity system using biometric scanning. The project is backed by some prominent investors, such as Sam Altman, the former president of Y Combinator, and Reid Hoffman, the co-founder of LinkedIn. Worldcoin recently secured $115 million in funding from various sources, including Andreessen Horowitz and Coinbase Ventures. According to its website, Worldcoin's vision is to create a new global economic system where everyone has a chance to participate. And to achieve this, Worldcoin plans to distribute its tokens for free to anyone who just scans their eyes using a device called an orb. The orb is designed to verify the uniqueness of each person and prevent duplicate claims. However, Worldcoin also faces some challenges and criticisms. Some people have raised concerns about the privacy and security of the biometric data collected by the orbs. Others have questioned the feasibility and scalability of the project, as well as the ethical implications of using eye scans as a form of identity verification. Worldcoin's co-founder, Alexandra Blania, said that the project is still in the early stages and that they are working on addressing these issues. He also said that Worldcoin is not intended to replace existing currencies or identity systems, but rather to complement them and provide more opportunities for people around the world. A group of 6 crypto investors with the support of Coinbase has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Treasury for imposing sanctions on Tornado Cash, a decentralized protocol that allows users to anonymize their Ethereum transactions. The lawsuit claims that the Treasury has violated the law and the Constitution by banning U.S. persons and entities from interacting with the Tornado Cash smart contracts. The lawsuit makes 4 main arguments. First, that the Treasury has no authority to sanction software codes that is not owned or controlled by any person or entity. Second, that the Treasury has failed to provide any evidence that Tornado Cash poses a threat to U.S. national security or foreign policy. Third, that the Treasury has violated the due process rights of the plaintiffs by depriving them of their property without notice or opportunity to be heard. And fourth, that the Treasury has infringed on the free speech rights of the plaintiffs by restricting their ability to use and support Tornado Cash. The plaintiffs seek a court order that would invalidate the sanctions and allow them to use Tornado Cash without fear of legal consequences, and a declaration that Tornado Cash is not subject to sanctions under U.S. law. A group of crypto investors and companies called Fahrenheit have won the auction to buy the assets of Celsius Network, a crypto lending platform that went bankrupt back in April. According to court documents, Fahrenheit offered $2 billion for Celsius's assets. Celsius Network was one of the largest crypto lending platforms in the world with over 1 million users and $17 billion in assets under management. However, it faced legal troubles after the SEC accused it of offering unregistered securities and violating investor protection laws. Celsius denied the allegations but failed to raise enough funds to continue its operations. It filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in April and put its assets up for sale. Fahrenheit said that it plans to use Celsius's assets to create a new decentralized lending platform that will offer better rates and transparency to borrowers and lenders. It also said that it will honor all existing contracts and obligations with Celsius's customers and partners. Fahrenheit's bid beat out another offer from NovaWolf, a crypto investment firm that bid $1.8 billion for Celsius's assets. A third bidder, the Blockchain Recovery Investment Consortium, was selected as a backup in case Fahrenheit fails to close the deal. And finally, in an unexpected turn of events, a Bitcoin-based project has emerged as the top NFT collection in terms of weekly volume, surpassing renowned projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The Space Pepe's NFT project has garnered trades worth nearly $7.4 million within just 7 days. The development is particularly remarkable considering that NFTs on Bitcoin were once deemed impossible, or at least implausible. However, the advent of ordinals has revolutionized the landscape. Traditionally, Ethereum has been the go-to blockchain for successful NFTs, but this dominance might soon face competition if ordinals' momentum persists. Given Bitcoin's age and higher market value, NFTs inscribed on its blockchain could potentially gain substantial cultural significance. CryptoSlam previously reported that the Bitcoin blockchain had claimed the second highest NFT volume in the past week, reaching $35.8 million. And speaking of volume, turn it up, because it's Memorial Day weekend here in the US. Grill like you've never grilled before. Kick up your feet and relax. And like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. You do that too. That's the American way. Thoughts on today's episode? Drop me a line in that comment section below, because I read those comments and they cause me great emotional distress. Questions on today's headlines or crypto in general? Why not take the plunge and ask Alex in that description below? Alex is always a great resource for all things Web3 and the metaverse, and that about does it for today and the week. As always, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and ladies and gentlemen, the weekend. See you Monday.